Welcome back to the Keto Show. Today we're going to make low-carb rum balls. Now there are two ways to do this. You can do it with powdered sugar or without. That's up to you. The powdered sugar only adds about half a carb per ball. You're going to need 1 cup almond flour, ½ cup unsweet cocoa powder, 2/3 cup Splenda, 8 tablespoons butter, 1 to 2 shots of rum, and the optional 1½ tablespoon of powdered sugar. In a clean bowl, go ahead and combine the almond flour, the cocoa powder, the 2/3 cups of sugar, and then mix it together so it looks like dirt and there's no clumps. Now you're going to want to add the rum and the butter in a pot and melt it over the stove. Ooh, look at it melt. Once it's melted, go ahead and pour it into your bowl with your dry ingredients and then start rolling them into little balls. Like I said, this will make about 20. As you can see, the whole 1½ tablespoons of sugar doesn't even get on all the balls, but I added it all in and divided it evenly just to be safe. You can throw them in the fridge or eat them right away, that's up to you. They're super delicious, and thanks for watching.